John Navarro, thanks again for tuning into yet another video from us, coming at you live from the West Coast yet again, San Jose, California. So let's look at the worst Harley-Davidson in 2025. It's official, guys. We saw the announcement, we saw the release, we saw the Softails, the other touring models that they released. The Road King right now seems to be the worst bike in the lineup for 2025. Mainly because it didn't get anything. It didn't get a 117. It did not get RDRS. Surprisingly, the Softails got RDRS. And this was majorly, the RDRS was something that we only saw on the touring models. I was expecting at least that to be standard on the Road King Special. It's not. So they increased the price by $2,000, and they didn't do anything. So the Softails got the 117s. The Lowrider S and the Lowrider ST, they both got the 117 high output. They got the riding modes. They got the RDRS. Like I said, I wasn't expecting RDRS to be on the Softails. That was something that wasn't on my bingo card for 2025 Harley announcement. I was not expecting that at all. I'm just surprised that the Road King does not have the rider safety enhancements. You have the optional. optional. All of this is optional. The only thing that is included is you have the ABS and you have the brake linkage. That's also included. But everything else that you see here, down over here, this is all optional. This is not included. So you're paying almost $26,000 for a bike that remained unchanged since 2017. So that is just nuts. Harley-Davidson, and that's not even the red one. We're talking about the billiard gray with the black trim. So this is the $26,000 bike that you're gonna get. If you want that whiskey fire, then you're paying closer to $27,000. That is just insane. So no ride modes, no liquid cooling, of course. No 117. It just seems like, and on top of that, you still have the bulbs on this. This isn't even all the way around LEDs. Look at this. There's no LEDs on this either. Harley just increased the price on this, and they just didn't do anything. So luckily for you guys can still buy a 2017 all the way up to 2024 at a discounted rate. Anybody that buys a 2025 Road King, you guys got to get yourselves checked. Get your head checked if you're considering getting a 2025, because you have better options out there. I've already shown you guys a couple of different used Road Kings out there that are already built out. They're V-Class style, club style. You guys have seen the Shade Tree Surgeon Road King Kong. So it's got a 131. It's got warranty, all kinds of stuff. It's got a Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing on it. So pretty neat. This is just something that I believe Harley has a ton of warehouse parts sitting around with, the old school, the Mountain Rushmore saddlebags and, the fender, the fuel tank. All of this, of course, is from previous touring models. So it seems like maybe Harley-Davidson's just trying to get all that inventory out instead of throwing it away, because, if you throw it away, it costs you more. So you might as well just put it on the Road King and sell it and see how many suckers actually buy the 2025 Road King. RDRS was something that was available for these bikes back in 2022. I believe, what is it? I believe the Icon bikes, the Road King, what was it called? The Highway King. The Highway King had RDRS, and this is a bike that was released in 2023 or 2024. I think it was 2023. And it was a missed opportunity, and then for them to just raise the price up to $26,000, that's crazy. So this is by far the worst 2025 Harley-Davidson, in my opinion. You guys can let me know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.